Hello, composers. As always, begin the week by going over the pieces your classmates created last week and filling out the feedback forms. This is where things are going to start getting a little off the beaten path. From here on out, you do not have to use Ableton Live to complete the projects. Instead, since we're working with film scoring, you can use Logic Pro X or Reaper if you prefer. However, since we've all been working with Live, I will be doing the videos for this section in Live. You're free to use one of the other programs, that's cool, but you are on your own for tech support. The first thing you're going to want to do is to go to archive.org and download a short, and I do mean short, video clip. If you go to the site, click on Video above Search, and then I recommend going to either the Ephemeral Films or Classic TV Commercials collections. These are really great because they focus on things like short commercials and promos, just throwaway video that are generally around 1 minute long. Over here, I've got a link to a Folgers coffee commercial from 1966 that I'm going to be using for these videos. Ableton Live, and also Logic Pro and Reaper, support QuickTime formatted videos. That means that these are movies with an extension of .mov, .mp4, and .m4v extensions. So, on archive.org, make sure that you're downloading the MPEG-4 version. Just right-click on it and go to Save Link As, and it will download. Play the video to make sure that it works. Then, let's open a new session in Ableton Live. I've got my video here. Now, I just need to import it. I have to do this on the timeline, but all I do at this point is drag the video into an empty part of the timeline and drop it. This will automatically create a video window. Please note that you may get an orange error message down at the bottom of the screen telling you that the file is corrupt. Just grab it and drag it anyway. I have no idea why it does that sometimes. It does, but just try it again, and it's always worked for me. Another way to fix this is to let it error, then play the video again using VLC, QuickTime, or Windows Media Player, and then drag it back into Ableton. Again, there's no rhyme or reason to why this works, but it does. Now, there is a video clip in Live. You can toggle the video window in Live by pressing Control-Alt-V on Windows or Command-Option-V on a Mac. Finally, for most professional video, you'll need to work at a different sample rate than the standard multiplier of 44.1K that we've been using for the last semester. Video is typically scored at 48K or multiples thereof, 96K being the most common for multi-channel Blu-ray audio. We'll stick to 48K and render at a bit depth of 24. To do that, go into Preferences, and change the in-out sample rate as needed. Then save your preferences.